What's up? My name is Aidoan and today I went camping! Yeah, in this video I will show you how we do barbecues super cheap in Russia. I've got this baby and it's like a rented car, so it's a Smart Fortwo and a beautiful lake. Yes, so we actually don't have backyards because most of our citizens in Moscow live in apartments. So if we want to do a barbecue, we go to a beautiful sites like this, or not so beautiful. Anyway, we do it outside of the flat, but it's like a public places. As you can see, there is just a field and a car standing here, and some guy on a bike just arrived. Just a beautiful field with a little bit of dirt, and there are some other guys doing camping. Yes, and a lake and a rented car. So we're here, and it's like around 30 kilometers from Moscow. It's like the same distance that you can go inside in the centrum of Moscow. Is the same distance that to go to the centrum. Yes.
Nom 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 nom. I'm a very hungry car. Nom 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 nom.
Actually, the trunk is divided into parts, and you can sit on one of it. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. It can carry around 100 kilos, so you can even sit. Two of you can even sit here. Yeah. Super cheap barbecue pack, and it contains already some coil and some thing you can fry meat on. Very convenient and costs only around $3. I think this costs $3. Okay, so I took the packaging off, and this is how it looks without it. Yeah, perfect. So basically you have to wave very hard, so the coil is caught on fire, and I use this carton box. I'm a carton. Okay, so you're just waving like that, and yeah. So here is the meat. It's actually chicken, and that one cost me $2. So it's a very small pieces of chicken, and they have curry sauce. Yeah, it's a curry sauce. As you can see, there is one disadvantage in this whole barbecue system, and it is very small. So I decided to make potatoes, grilled potatoes, and I don't have enough coal, and yeah, so I bought already cooked potatoes. Yeah, they're like this, and when I put them on the grill, they will just get warmed up. Yeah, so it's very convenient, right? So these are some pieces that are ready. As you can see, they have a little bit grilled color now. This one looks like a shrimp. Yeah.
Oh, look at me, I'm a shrimp. Oh.
So It's not grilled too much, as you can see. The meat is white inside. Yeah, I did my best. Yeah, and there is even some signs of a grilled thing. Yeah. Anyway, this is how we do barbecue in Russia. Well, the cheapest way. By the way, there is no trunk in my car, and you can see the street, right? It is like a sunroof, but sun back, right?